Hey everyone, welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. We are experiencing yet another blackout. We had heavy winds briefly for about 5 minutes before the rain, thunder, and lightning swept through. It's nighttime now, and I had to come out here. It's still drizzling a little bit, but I wanted to come out here and get the plants situated. They had blown over, and I didn't want to lose 2 months worth of progress with the plants. So the deer has been eating this one. I need to plant it in the ground. The deer had eaten this one as well, and this one is about to bud, or flower I should say. And here are our lemon trees. Unfortunately, one of the trees lost a limb here, and just because I'm going to go ahead and try to root that. So this is the lemon tree. I have 2 lemon trees in one line. So that's pretty much it. It's nighttime. It's about, I want to say 9:15. So actually the blackout started about maybe 2 hours ago. Listen in the background, hear the bugs. It's actually peaceful out here. You can still hear the rolling thunder. And you can hear perhaps maybe a generator in the background. I don't know if this is picking it up. It's very faint, but it is actually so peaceful out here in the dark. This is the sky. You can't really see it. There are no stars, no moon. Just listen to that sound. You do not get this sound in the city.